Yeah, just looking at these wheels, I don't think I did the 10,000. Okay, whatever. Okay, driver's side front. This all looks pretty good. It looks like there's a little wear on the inside, maybe on the outside. But other than that, it looks okay. All right. Okay, driver's side front brake. Everything looks fine here. The brake pads look okay. All right. Okay, driver's side rear tire. The wear patterns look similar to the front. I mean, just a little bit on the outside shoulders of the tires. Now I have been trying to pay attention, keep the tire pressure up to 42, but this one looks good. Okay, driver rear brake. Oh, I didn't check right here. Is that possible? No, I don't see a size on that, but okay. Looking over here, brakes look good. Suspension part looks good, so we're good. Okay, passenger front. Slight wearing on either side, but otherwise fine. Or it's actually fine, it's just noting that. All right. Okay, if I hadn't already captured this, it's the passenger front. Looks good. Okay, passenger rear tire. Same kind of deal. Some light wear on the outsides. But otherwise fine. It's interesting, this one has some little orange things. I'm not sure if that's embedded gravel or something else, but it didn't want to come out. Okay, we'll see. Okay, passenger rear brake. Looking good. Yeah, show well. Okay. Overall, this looks good too, so we're good. All right, filled up the windshield wiper washer fluid, about a half gallon. That should do it.